In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check applied jobs on Dubizzle. Whether you're using the app or the website, the process is quick once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, make sure you're signed in. Tap Login or Sign Up and access the account you used to submit your applications. Being logged in is essential. If you're not in the right account, your applied jobs won't appear. Once you're signed in, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon either at the top right of the screen or in the bottom navigation bar, depending on your device and app version. Tap that icon to open your profile area. Inside your profile, open My Account. This is the hub for all your personal settings and activity. From here, look for the Jobs section. You may see it labeled as Jobs Dashboard, or it might be a shortcut called My Jobs. Either option leads you to the same place where your job activity is organized. Now, it's time to view the roles you've applied for. In the Jobs area, look for a tab that shows your applications. It can appear under several names including Applied Jobs, My Applications, or simply Applications. Select that tab to bring up the full list of positions you've submitted. If you don't see it immediately, try swiping through the available tabs or checking for a secondary menu within the Jobs section. Different layouts may group these options slightly differently. On this list, you'll see the current status for each job. This is where you can quickly understand what's happening with your application. Open each job to view more detail. Common statuses include Submitted, which means your application was received, Under Review, indicating the employer is assessing your profile, Shortlisted, which suggests you've moved forward in the screening, Rejected, which means the employer isn't proceeding, and Interview Invited, where you'll find details about next steps or scheduling. Opening the job page often gives you clearer wording, timestamps, and any notes from the employer, so it's a good idea to check inside each listing if you want specifics. If your applied list looks empty, double-check that you're on the correct account and that you applied through Dubizzle rather than an external link. Layouts can vary across updates, but the path remains the same. Profile, My Account, Jobs section, then the Applications tab. And that's all you need to confidently track your applications and stay on top of your job search on Dubizzle.